Patayo ini kan kadang. Ini beres tayo. Parang nakataibili naman dito.
Sarap yun eh.
Sama na. Kuha ko lang. Lalakad ako ng pipili. Pipili ka. Lakad. Gusto mo, swimming ako.
Ay, ito.
Talon ako dyan. May nakaiga dito. Oh. Yan, nakaiga. This is the best place on earth. Beautiful. Amazing place. Yan, yan oh. Dito. Sa yan, doon. Yung namamangka doon oh. Namamangka. May namamangkang bata. Punta dito eh. Ang ganon. May namamangkang bata. Namamangka. May namamangkang bata.
Hello anak. Nice. Having fun? Having fun bay? Nice. Tapos ayun sa ibabaw ng river. Sa observatory sa ano sa sitting room sa ibabaw ng river. Somebody's there. Ooh, somebody's there. Oh. Sa ibabaw ng river. May natutulog doon, oh. Natutulog, oh. Yan, sa ibabaw ng river. May natutulog doon. Perfect. Yan, oh. May natutulog doon, oh. Yan. Natutulog sa ibabaw ng river. Ayun, oh, tulog. Merong Pringles. Yan. The best. That's the best. Natutulog doon, oh. Natutulog doon, oh. Ibabaw ng river. House on the river. Yan ang totally house on the river talaga. Yan. Husband enjoying with his boating. River boating. The best. Direkta dun sa natutulog doon. Yan. Natutulog doon. Nagkihilo-hilo yung natutulog. Yan. Yan, oh, punta doon sa may natutulog na yun. Perfect. So perfect. Yan yung dito yung yun, no, water frame. Yan yung water exit from the river. Yan yung mini dam. There you are. Yan mini dam. Yan. Tapos yun nagbo-boating yun, no. Yung nagbo-boating dyan. May nagbo-boating. Yeah? Dan anak? Nice. Nice. Ang galing. Oo, bilis. Mini dam here. Yan ang water through this little bridge. Yan. Yan ang nice. Look at this tree. Oh, nice sun. There you are, the boat. Boating there. Yeah. Perfect. This is perfect. Enjoying boating. Yeah. He loves boating. Bonbon loves boating on this private river. Private river. Bonbon's love it. Enjoying it. Boating here. That's it. Enjoying it. Boating on this private river. Look at this countryside. Beautiful place. Yeah, there you are. There you are. He's boating. Going this way. A little bridge here. Bridge. Yan. Straight flow water. Wow. Straight flow water. Nice. Carry on going there. I'm following my bunsos boating. Our bunsos enjoy boating here in Suffolk countryside. Look at this, incredible, amazing. Wow, he loves it. He loves it. Boating on the water stream, private river. Nice. It's incredible. Can't get through to the other side because there's a fallen tree on the river. He's chilling now. He's chilling on the river. Yan, there you are. The boys. Yan. Yan. Kaya. Itchy a bit. A little bit itchy. Would you like me to go through that way again? That way? No? Magtabi-tabi po naman ako. Tabi-tabi po. No na? Okay, no. Yan, farm field. Yan, doon na. Ang bonbon. Doon na ang bonbon. Tapos dito pa sa free flow water. Ayan, free flow water. Doon na ang bonbon. Oh, doon. Ang bonbon. Diyan ako tatawid ako dyan. Oh. Tawid ako dito. Tawid ako dito. Yan. Dito. Doon ako dito sa nagbo-boating. Mag-boating na. Yan, this is the best. Oh, malaglag ako, boy. Uy, bird, saan pa yun? The pheasant bird. Yan. Pheasant is there. Galing. Galing. Yan. Diyan siya. Yan. There you are. There you are. Yan. Boating. Na siya. Dito sa mini dam. Yan, ito yung iniikot para open ang dam ito. Mini dam. Tapos yan ito swimming pool. No, wala na yung natutulog. Ding. Stand up, di pa. Yung yung stand up anak na nakadipa ka. Itaas mo ng dalawang kamay mo ang yung nakagaya ginawa mo noon na nakataas yung paddle holding with your hand. Yan. The best. Dalawang kamay. That's it. Where's mommy? Sa surrounding. That's the best. Look at that place. Incredible place. Amazing. That's it. Beautiful. Gonna walk around. Now walk around. I will walk around and around. I'll walk around. I'll walk around. I will walk around. See? Sorry there. Oh, the duck is there. The duck is there. On this side. Yeah, and the duck is here. Amazing. The duck. Wow. Look at that duck. Beautiful. Duck is beautiful. Oh, the kite is there flying. Red kite. Wow, red kite is there in the sky. Amazing red kite. Oh, fly away. The duck, where are you going? Wow. It's amazing. Yeah. Incredible. Beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful place. Nice. See that? It's a wonderful place. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah. If I my bridge to the bridge. Go to the bridge. Go to this bridge. Amazing bridge. Incredible bridge. Wow. What is this bridge? Amazing. This one is the river. Amazing. See that? Absolutely magnificent. Incredible place. Amazing place. Beautiful place. Look at that. Beautiful. So, yeah, this bridge. That's it. Mhm. Lakad-lakad tayo dito. Uy, 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 uy. Yan. Amazing place. Had to walk around. See that? Beautiful place. Beautiful place. Walking around. Yeah, walking around. See, ito, swing. I'll do swing there. Oy, 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 oy. I'll do some swing. I'll do swing. Swing. Oy, taas. Taas ng swing. Can't. Dito, may mga upuan. Nice place. Mga apple, new plant. Magpa-flowering na the apple. Nice. Tayo dun sa tennis court. Ay, sa tennis court. Tayo sa tennis court. Tennis court is the tennis court yan, no? Swing, laruan. Ito tennis court. Tennis court. Ito mga greenhouse. Ano, tennis court. Let's get in the tennis court. Tennis court. Yan. Di tayo nakapaglaro. Mamay may play ulit. Tennis court. Tennis court. We'll play. We might be playing later. Yan. Labas na tayo. Tennis court. Yan tayo. Ito. Dito. Yan, no? Laruan bata. Ano, swing, slides, climb. Ganda ng mga bulaklak. Uy, may ibon. Nice. Dito. Tayo. Pasok doon. Ganda dito. Ayan mga dito. Ganda tayo dito sa ano dito. Dito tayo dito. Yan, dito tayo. Yan, dito tayo sa entrance. Tayo. Ganda dito. Ano, ganda. Yung gate. Ganda dyan, oh, mga wheat farm. Ganda, oh. Dito guys, wheat farm. Yun yung pisan. Pisan guys. Ganda dito. Yun mga wheat farm. Wheat farm. This wheat farm. Farm sa kabila. Ito, oh. Tayo dito. Ito nga. Ayan si Rio. Ayan. Tips. Ulit tayo dito. Dito still boating or finish. Done. He's done boating. He finished boating. He done boating. Finish boating. Yan. Done. Finish boating. I really had fun boating in Monmouth. Amazing. This is done. Ano na siya? Tapos na siya mag-boating. Tapos na siya mag-boating. Done boating. Tapos na siya mag-boating. Tapos na siya mag-boating. Naman po anak dito. Magbabay tayo.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you much for watching. Bye. Bye.
Mom. Okay. 1,
1, 2, 3. Bagus.
bye bye.